This is the treatment for trigeminal neuralgia. How many times have I done this? 500. And it goes away and comes back, just like cancer. So pain is exactly like cancer. There's only one disease. It's life. Stresses, mental, physical, emotional, spiritual. And the treatment is the opposite. Rest, relaxation, stretching out your muscles, clearing your mind, vitamins, minerals, trace elements, and time. 5. I call it 5 daily TLCs. Sleep, nutrients, copper, zinc, selenium, lithium, magnesium, B complex C. Clear your mind of all the crap people put in there. You don't need it. Yesterday is gone. The moment is now. Live in the now. Stretching. A lot of stretching, flexing. Ballet stretching, yoga stretching, dog stretching, cat stretching. It doesn't matter. Live on the floor, up and down on the floor. When you're on the floor, living on the floor, you notice your body has to bend and flex in all different types of ways. Like when you're watching TV when you're a kid, watch kids on the floor and watch children how they lift and move. That's exactly how we're supposed to behave, just like kids, and time. So once you get God within, the almighty forces within, you honor that, then God does the rest. While you're sleeping, you wake up feeling your best. That's like a built-in panacea, fountain of youth. It's a vitality. It's all built in. It's all built in. It's amazing how the American Medical Association and media forces you to think that a pill, narcotics, poisons, vaccines, toxins, whipped up stuff, and a bone saw, joint replacements, back surgeries, knee surgeries, hip surgeries, that's cruelty. It blows my mind that I believed it. But once a patient, actually about 100 patients who've had back surgeries, hip surgeries, neck surgeries, jaw surgery, says, Dr. Rodriguez, that really didn't help me. But whatever you're doing helps me. I didn't know what I was doing. All I was doing was giving them doses of tender, loving care. Exactly what mothers do. Mothers, natural born, masters, master healers, masters of theology, philosophy, plumbing, cooking, herbals, nurses, midwives. Mothers do everything. Everything. And when a father takes one of those majesties out of the home and then sells it back to the mother, help her feel better, do her job, that's called prostitution. And then when a mother goes to a doctor, white doctor, in the 1800s, complaining about battle fatigue, suicide syndrome, and he looks at her and thinks she's crazy, gives her electric shock therapy, prefrontal lobotomies, where they put an ice pick, put them in insane asylums, take out their uteruses, ovaries, give them hysterectomies, tubal ligations, abortions, bags of opium, cocaine, fentanyl, and then they commit suicide. And guess what? They don't care. My white brothers have practically no compassion for their wives. And once you connect it with capitalism, the worst investment scheme white man has ever made is the medical doctor. Then he began cannibalizing his own mothers, fathers, children, girls, cannibalizing. I mean, yes, taking people apart, selling the body parts, dispensing with the body parts, throwing them in the trash, and gluing in auto parts, steel, metal. It's just wire, screws. That's bizarre. That's our healthcare system. You buy into it, you deserve what you get. I've been telling this message for 20 years. I'm kind of tired. You buy health insurance, you're wasting your money. You are buying a death certificate to be mutilated, poisoned. COVID doesn't exist. It can't exist. We don't even exist on the moon, on Pluto. We only exist to ourselves. We have one mission, only one. Men, fathers. Once you impregnate a 13-year-old girl, you have to care for her until she is independent. I mean, the mother and the children. It blows my mind that we make 13-year-olds have to work, pay taxes to have a child, pay money for medicines to be healthy and well. We do that to little girls. We force little girls that a father hit it and quit it to pay taxes, to pay the government, to buy aircraft carriers, to kill more little girls. Now, I know everything about everybody, everything about everything. So we're all females. Mother Nature only creates females. Mother Nature is a female. Mother Nature only creates females. Males, we are a byproduct of the evolutionary process. Why? Doesn't matter. Who would question God? Only a fool. Ooh. White fools. My white brothers. Oh my goodness. And when I go back there about Spartans and the Vikings, and when the Moors arrived in Europe, white societies were giving away their women. We don't want them. Take them. We don't need them. That's disgusting. Peace begins when women take back their majesty. Otherwise, this bloodbath is going to be gruesome. If they don't, so COVID, everything within Earth, which is like a pressure cooker. So Earth's arms hold us in place. Earth won't hurt us. Crocodile won't hurt us. I mean, you understand the crocodile. You can be amazed at the crocodile. The crocodile will not wake you up with a knife to your neck, will not rape your wife, will not steal your money, will not put you in the poorhouse. White people will. They will. So your worst enemy is the person in the mirror. Virus, it's innocent. I just inhale virus. I just inhale life. You consume life, you excrete life in a cycle of life. So we're all connected by air, like fish are connected by water. We are connected to fish by water, by oxygen. Everything contained in our mothership is everything. We only exist in our brains. You don't exist to anyone else. No one in Africa knows you exist. Actually, no one next door to you knows you exist. Actually, the person sitting next to you doesn't know you exist. I know, existence. Took me a little while to figure it out. On any account, you take the vaccine, you might as well inject yourself with toilet water. I mean, real toilet water. It might be beneficial and safer. Toilet water. I mean, clean the toilet out first. But you might even inject poop into your skin. So there are some treatments where they take reprocessed poop to recolonize the gut. So we got poop pill medicine. It's real. It's valid. On any account, I don't know what to say. Peace begins when mothers start whooping men's fathers, deadbeat dads, asses. Don't take no prisoners. On any account, have a wonderful day. Avoid cruelty and cray-cray.